In this video, I'm going to show you guys a few things that I did that really took my business to the next level. These are also things that you guys can start doing today that will really make a difference to your business in the long run. What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Before we get started with today's video, if you're someone that has an entrepreneurial mindset and wants to see more videos about successfully growing an online business and making passive income, then consider subscribing. Alright, let's jump into the video. So the first thing that I would recommend to every single person, regardless if they're a completely new seller or a 7-figure seller, one thing that I would recommend to everyone is to not solely rely on Amazon. When you sell products on Amazon, you're always in a risk that Amazon could one day kick you off their platform or suspend your account for whatever reason. There's so many stories about certain sellers doing millions of dollars on Amazon, and then for whatever reason they get suspended and their entire business, which was solely on Amazon, just goes down to ashes. Now, Amazon is great for giving opportunities to many sellers, and many people have become millionaires from Amazon. But by putting everything solely into Amazon, not only are you putting all your eggs in one basket and creating a huge risk for yourself, but you're also limiting yourself from other marketplaces. So my point is, expand your brand. The moment your product arrives at Amazon, or heck, even before they arrive at Amazon, start your application on other platforms. Open up accounts on new marketplaces. Make sure that you're not only selling on Amazon, but go in with the focus of opening accounts on Walmart, Home Depot, Etsy, eBay, and so forth. There's so many different opportunities out there. The best way to find other marketplaces for your product is to search your top competitors in Google. For example, if one of your top competitors is called Brand A, then just type in Brand A into Google and see what other marketplaces show up. I guarantee you that your top competitors are not solely relying on just Amazon. Now, a great thing about this is that if you're selling on certain marketplaces like eBay or Shopify, you can also utilize Amazon's fulfillment. So what you can do is keep your products at Amazon, and whenever you get an order on, let's say, eBay, for example, you can create the fulfillment order so that Amazon will fulfill the order for you for your eBay customer. You can do this for most marketplaces, but there are a few exceptions like Walmart that don't allow this. So make sure you read the policy for each marketplace individually. Number 2 on the list, the next thing I would do right away is make sure that you're utilizing remote fulfillment by Amazon. When you sell on Amazon USA and you pay the $39.99 fee, you get access to the Canadian, the United States, and the Mexico marketplace. Simply turn on your remote fulfillment, and if you're eligible, Amazon will list your products on all 3 marketplaces. The cool thing is that if your product sells in Mexico, Amazon will ship the product to the customer in Mexico for you. This means that you can easily target 3 marketplaces by simply having inventory at the United States. Now, it's important to note that this only works if you're an FBA seller, meaning you have products that are located inside Amazon's warehouse. Also, note that your products must be in the United States in order for you to utilize remote fulfillment. Number 3, the next thing you need to do is make sure that you're collecting as many emails as possible. Now, we all know that asking customers on Amazon for their direct email is a violation of Amazon's policy, and it could easily get your account suspended. But there are ways around this, and don't wait on this. You should start collecting emails as soon as possible, even if you're not planning to do anything with the emails right away. Collecting emails increases the value of your brand. It allows you to connect with your customers. It allows you to give them updates. You can tell them about new releases. It allows you to upsell your products, and it allows you to create a brand that has an audience. So make sure you start collecting emails as soon as possible. I made a video that talks about this in more depth, and it shows you how you can collect emails from customers on Amazon without violating any policies. You can check that video out above here somewhere. I'll leave a link. Number 4 on the list is to post on social media consistently. This seems like a very small thing, but it can make a huge difference. It also seems like a tedious thing to do, but all you really need to do is make 1 post a day on social media. Remember, this not only allows you to create an audience, but it also attracts potential future buyers. A great place to start is Facebook and Instagram, but I would also recommend Pinterest. Pinterest is a place where a lot of shoppers go to get inspiration and could actually drive a lot of traffic to your website and product listing. If you post consistently and you put a bit of effort into your post each day, let's say 15 minutes, you can over time actually gain quite a bit of followers. A great way to really grow this community of followers is to provide some sort of incentives for others to post your product on social media for you. For example, you can say, In order to be entered in a draw to win $100, post a picture of our product being used and follow and tag us on social media. This not only helps you gain followers and an audience, but now you're letting others promote your product for you. If you can't afford to give out, say, $100 to a customer every now and then, you can choose something else, but that was just an example. You can choose something that's more economical for you. Next up on the list is to invest in software, tools, and technology. As your business grows, you want to free up as much time as possible so that you can focus on your business and not have to worry about the little tedious things. There's a bunch of softwares out there that can really make your life so much easier. The one that I recommend to everyone is Helium 10. This is what I use myself to find new products, to calculate my profits, to do keyword research, and a bunch of other things. And the really cool thing about Helium 10 is that they also have a course that helps sellers learn how to sell like a pro. I'll leave a link below so that you guys can go check it out. There's a lot of other tools out there like Jungle Scout, Viral Launch, and Zonebase, just to name a few, but my favorite has always been Helium 10. The next one is a very obvious one, but you would be surprised how many people miss this, and that's to simply invest in your company. Your company can't grow if you're not investing in it. That doesn't just mean to invest in software, tools, and technology, but this also means to invest in your product to make it better, to invest in photography to get really nice images, to invest in videography to get a video, to invest in consultations from experts or some sort of course. There's a lot of courses out there, and I would never recommend to you guys to spend thousands of dollars on a course. There's a lot of cheap courses out there that you can pay just $20 or $30 a month and you'll have access to everything you need. The very first thing that you should be doing is investing in proper product photography. Hiring a solid photographer is going to be expensive, but remember, once you get really good pictures, you'll be able to use this for a very long time. It's a one-time expense, so make sure you do it right so you don't have to worry about having to do it again later. What you should be doing is using Helium 10 Chrome extension or any other software to find your top 8 competitors. Review each one of their images and see what they did right and see what they did wrong. There's no need to reinvent the wheel. Rather, incorporate good parts of each listing into your own image and explain exactly to your photographer what you want. By putting all the images side by side, you'll have a much better idea, and you'll often see most of your top competitors doing similar things because obviously that seems to be working for them. Make sure you don't copy their image exactly, add your own touch of uniqueness to it, and simply just incorporate certain aspects of the image that they did a good job of, and then try to improve it to make it even better. The same thing applies to videography. Find someone that can make you a really nice video for your product. Invest in one video that serves as an advertisement video to really use as a selling point, and another video that shows your product being used, or a video how your product can be set up. You'll be able to use the video on advertising campaigns, and trust me when I tell you guys that your campaigns will be much stronger than a regular campaign. The instruction video will also serve as a very useful video, especially if it's a bit more of a difficult product to use. You can create a QR code and add this QR code to your product insert card or product packaging so customers can scan the code and learn exactly how to use or set up your product. I really hope that you guys found some sort of value from this video. Whether you can incorporate just one or two of the ideas I shared with you guys, the goal is to always grow the brand and grow our knowledge as business owners. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next.